Hello, I'm Dr. Talia Rossi. My mission is to guide people toward a longer life in good health and with the confidence of feeling well in their own skin through longevity and aesthetic medicine. Today, we'll explore a fascinating topic, brain waves. We all hear about them. Alpha, beta, theta, but what are they really? And more importantly, can we use them for biohacking to boost energy, focus, and well-being? Brain waves are patterns of electrical activity in the brain, measurable with the EEG. Each brain wave is linked to a different state of consciousness in the body. Let's explore them in detail. Our brain waves change depending on what we're doing or feeling. When we are in beta, the brain is switched on, alert, focused, solving problems. It's the state we are in when we are working or studying. In alpha state, things slow down. It's a calm but aware state. That's where creativity flows, meditation happens, and ideas often pop up. Theta takes us deeper. It's linked to deep relaxation, daydreaming, and memory. And finally, delta, that's deep sleep, the stage where the body and mind truly regenerate. So why do brain waves even matter for our health and longevity? Because the brain isn't static, it's dynamic, and we can naturally shift between different states. Alpha waves help calm us down, lowering stress and cortisol. Theta and delta waves are where deep rest and true regeneration happen, that's quality sleep. And beta waves? Well, they are what keep us sharp, focused, and productive. Learning how to manage these states means better health, less risk of premature aging, and a big boost in cognitive performance. How to use brain waves in biohacking. The beauty of brain waves is that we can train and modulate them with simple, practical tools. Here's how. Meditation and mindfulness, just 10 minutes a day, can stimulate alpha waves, boosting creativity and reducing stress. Binaural beats or targeted sounds, like specific frequencies, help shift into focus or relaxation states. Sleep optimization. A consistent routine, darkness, and cool temperature reinforce delta waves, essential for regeneration. Neurofeedback and wearables, well, technology that lets you see your brain waves in real time and learn to self-regulate. Guided breathing. 4-7-8 method, a simple tool to enter alpha and theta states more easily. The 4-7-8 method is a simple breathing technique designed to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Here's how it works. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds and exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for 8 seconds. That counts as one cycle, and usually you repeat it 4-5 times, how many you need. This method helps slow down the heart rate, reduce anxiety, and prepare the body for sleep. Many people use it before bed or anytime they feel stressed and need to reset. Real biohacking is about accessing the right brain state at the right time. Alpha to calm down, beta to work, delta to regenerate. Today, we see a boom of apps, headsets, and gadgets promising to turn you into a superhuman just by listening to certain frequencies. The truth? Some techniques have solid science, others are more hype than health. Serious biohacking is not about magic solutions. It's about science-based tools combined with a healthy lifestyle. So, 3 key takeaways. First, brain waves reflect our state of consciousness and health. Second, we can train them with natural techniques and technology. Third, be cautious. Real brainwave biohacking is science, not marketing hype. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. In upcoming episodes, we'll dive into sleep, fasting, and technologies that can truly help us live longer and better. Now, comment below, have you ever tried meditation, binaural beats, or neurofeedback? Just let me know. And see you in the next video.